A hypnotist, as I like to call myself, or hypnotherapist, if you prefer that term, they're the same thing. Hypnotist, creating change inside someone's mind, or hypnotherapist, therapeutically changing someone's mind. It's the same title, but the bottom line is the proof of the pudding of any hypnotist or hypnotherapist is in the results seen through the actions, behaviours of their clients. And I'm very proud of, well, I'm proud of all my clients, but to name one in this video here, it's Joanne McConville. She's just written a book. Now, if you haven't seen the video testimonial she gave about a year and a half ago after coming to see me, Joanne fell 6,500 feet without a parachute and landed with a thump and survived. That was, at the time, 25 years ago, back in 1995. Today is the 2nd of April, and she's just launched her book last night. I was at the book launch. It went on from about 7 o'clock to about 10 o'clock before I got away, so it's I haven't had a chance to read the book yet, but I know she gives some readings from the book. It's a beautiful book. I'm really looking forward to it. I do get a mention in the book, but it's not about me, it's not about her hypnosis session, it's about her experiences surviving trauma. So really want to give it a plug. I'm really proud of Joanne and what she's done. As I always say, it's not just about, her coming to see me and her life changed. You've got to have a good support team. She has a lovely husband that's in the book as well. Her family's a great support. Everybody's acknowledged in the book. So please do buy this book. It's a lovely book. Great insights into someone going through trauma, how they learnt, how they changed. That's it. Just a quick plug for her book, because well, it just makes me happy to see my clients, when I bump into clients in the street, when and they tell me how they haven't been smoking in a while, or tell me how much weight they've lost. It's always great to see. So this is lovely to see someone who, like I said, if you watch that testimonial video, she couldn't go back to the site where she fell. She struggled to write about it, to even talk about it. As even just talking about it was traumatic in its experiences. Trying to do that, so to overcome all that with my help and with the support of so many other people, and to write this book, I'm speechless. So well done, Joanne, and hopefully I'll put links to the book on Amazon, or if you look on, maybe give her a shout. She might have a few copies left from, but there wasn't a lot of copies left from the book signing and the launch last night. But well done, Joanne. I'm really delighted.